We all know that very important molecules that we need for normal functioning and survival are oxygen and glucose. So without these two key molecules, we would not be surviving. Glucose is obviously a main fuel based on which all the body functions happen. The glucose breakdown in the aerobic metabolism pathway starts with glycolysis, where you have a pyruvate generated, and this pyruvate is broken down to acetyl-CoA as it enters the mitochondrion. It enters the Krebs cycle, where the acetyl-CoA is converted to oxaloacetate. In the process, it releases NADH and which enters the oxidative phosphorylation. The oxidative phosphorylation or the electron transport chain is in the mitochondria, and it's the main mechanism by which the body releases ATP, which is the energy molecule or the currency for energy, so to speak. For this aerobic pathway to function, that is to utilize the glucose appropriately to release the 30 to 34 ATP per molecule of glucose, oxygen is a key. So without oxygen, we will not be going through the aerobic pathway. We will be entering the anaerobic pathway, and unfortunately, the anaerobic pathway is not efficient. It only leads to 2 ATP production per glucose molecule, which is not viable. So this summarizes what we discussed. I know it's a bit intense,